What's good, y'all? AJ Sims checking in. Sorry for the bumpy little ride here, but anyway, I'm gonna do this video because I was just on live and somebody asked me what exactly is in the starter course, like what comes with it, right? My cleaning business starter course that I have, and I never actually talk about it because I don't know why. I think mainly it's because I'm always so damn humble and I don't like to talk about, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna talk about it now, point blank, period. So. But long story short, first of all, getting the Cleaning Business Starter course is the easiest way or the most affordable way to get in Clean Biz Network and become a member, honestly. And so I'll try to basically freestyle off the top of my head what's exactly in it so you can understand if this is right for you. And just to be clear, so it's 3 ways to join Clean Biz Network. Either A, you get, let me see if I can turn this light up because I can't see myself. But either A, you get a Clean Biz Starter kit. B, you get a Clean Biz Starter course, which I'm about to talk about now. Or C, you just join Clean Biz Network. Now, joining Clean Biz Network is $99 a month. All right, so you can go to cleanbiznetwork.com and then click on join. That's $99 a month. If you get a starter kit, you get membership plus the course and all of that, and instead of paying $99 a month, that whole first year free for you, so no monthly payments. All right. But the Clean Biz Starter course, just the course by itself, getting that, you actually get 1 month free to the CBN CRM, which would be $99 a month. So you get 1 month free to that. And then if you want to keep it going and keep the CRM, you can. But I know a lot of people, when they first starting off, they're scared to keep that because they feel like they can't afford that extra $99 a month payment. I get it. Even though one contract could cover that, I know for some of y'all just don't, y'all not able to move as fast and grow as fast. So it might take you, 3, 4 months, 6 months to get your first contract. And so you really don't want to be on the hook to pay that $99 a month. So bam, you can get the starter course. The Clean Biz Starter course right now, and it has been, I just haven't said anything about it. I believe it's $297. So one time payment, $297. When you get the course, you'll still get access to the Clean Biz Network private Facebook group. So that's where we network at. So if you join, when you get that course, you can get the course. It's going to teach you everything from A to Z, and I'm going to go over exactly what's in that course in a minute. Then you also get access to our private Facebook group, the CBN private Facebook group, so you can literally tag me in that group, ask me questions directly, or one of our other members. We got over 1,600 members in that group, so that's one of the huge value adds in there. And that group been around since 2017. So many gems that we done dropped over the years. Like you can literally use a search tab within the group and find any answer you ever want to find, and some stuff that you probably won't even think about. All right, so you get the course, you get the group. I do monthly Zoom calls with members, so every single month I come on the 4th Wednesday of every month, and we do a live Zoom call. And sometimes I do impromptu Zooms as well. Like this week, it wasn't the 4th week of the month, but I just went on ahead and hopped on there because I felt like people needed to know some stuff, so I just hopped on. And also, even in the group, if you ask a question and I don't feel like typing, I'll just go live and answer your question right in the group, or I'll record a quick video, upload it to your post, and put it right in the comments of your question. All right. So those are the 3 things that you get, and that's lifetime access to the course and to the Facebook group. And then also you get, like I said, that the software, you get a month free to the software. So that's what you would get. And then if you like, okay, damn, I really need the software because I need the bidding part. Like maybe you ain't ready for CRM and all of that yet, but you need the bidding part. Well, I would recommend that what you should do in that case is get Calculated Clean instead, because it's still got the bidding calculator, and that one only $49 a month versus the $99 a month. All right. Now here's what's in it though. Here's what's in the Clean Biz Starter course, and I'm gonna try to go off my head, so hopefully I remember this correctly. But first, you got the intro module. Which the intro module is basically going to remind you of all of the things and all of the perks that comes with your membership. All right. Second, and then module 1 is getting legal. So we show you all the basics of getting your business set up, getting your business license, your EIN number, your LLC. I tell you about getting the registered for sales tax if you're required to have it in your area. All of that type of stuff. Module 2 is creating your website, and then creating a Google business profile. So I'll show you how to do both of those things, and I'll walk you through step by step. And when you build your website, you can build it right on our platform, so that way you don't have to go elsewhere and pay, people outside of us and all of that. And the tutorial is literally step by step. I teach you myself in regular layman's terms, so anybody can build this website, y'all. All you gotta do is watch what I'm doing in the video, do exactly what I'm doing. It's just drag and drop website builder, all right? I show you also how to, like I said, create a Google Business Profile, so that way people can look you up, look up your business, search you with ease. All right. So all of that is in module 2. Then module 3, we move on to how to find customers. Actually, in the module 2, I also show you how to create marketing materials, right? Because you're gonna need to know how to create flyers, business cards, all of that good stuff. So I show you that as well. Then module 3, that is where I show you. I'm trying to think. Oh, module 1, I also show you how to do your bookkeeping as well. In module 1, because you got to get set up, get your accounting right, and all of that. So I show you using Wave Apps, because Wave Apps is free. Most people eventually do switch to QuickBooks, but just starting off, I like to show you how to do things in the cheapest way as possible, or the most affordable way as possible. I don't really like the word cheap, but the most affordable way as possible, because I understand you just getting started, right? All right, now module 3, that's when we move on to how to get customers. So I show you a bunch of different ways on how to get customers in module 3. Module 4, we go into how to price, how to bid. All right, I show you how to bid manually. Then I also show you how to bid using our bidding calculators, whether you're using Calculated Clean or whether you're using Clean Business Network software. I show you how to bid your jobs. All right, and also how to put together your proposals, which the proposal includes the service agreement. We got templates for all of that, so I show you how to build those. Module, what are we on now? Module 5. And module 4. Yeah, module 4 is bidding and all of that. Module 5 is what to do after you close the deal, right? So I'm showing you, because in module 4 I show you how to do the walkthrough, all of that stuff too. Module 5 is what to do after you get to close the deal. So it's like, there's certain things that got to get done. Okay, you sold the contract, they signed it, they signed your service agreement, all of that. Now what? So module 5, I'll show you exactly what to do after you get the contract. I show you how to clean, because you're gonna need to know how to clean, right? So we show you how to clean. We also give you a PDF on step-by-step of how to clean as well, so you can use that within your company. Just change it, copy and paste it, put your logo on it, make that your in-house SOP, all right? And then also, what else we got on that? I'm trying to think. I feel like I'm forgetting something. When you close the deal, damn, I'm forgetting. But anyway, all right. After that, module 6. So module 6, I'm gonna show you. Bam. So I show you how to send your invoice too as well. In module 5, after you close the deal. Module 6, I show you how to hire. Also, module 5, I show you how to pay yourself. All right, because you got to know how to pay yourself as a new business owner, all of that. Module 6, I show you how to hire. So whether you want to go the W-2 route or the 1099 route, we show you how to do that. And we also got templates and all of that for you in there as well, for non-solicitation agreements, subcontract agreements, all of that good stuff. All right. Module 7 is a bonus module. So in the module 7, the number one thing in that is my video called The System. It's a video I recorded years ago, but it still goes like it's like yesterday. But it basically shows you how to operate your cleaning business without actually cleaning. And I show you how to do it, how I did it with a limited budget. All right, and my company was not that big when I learned how to systemize my company, right? But I show you how to do it with inspectors in place and all of that, and you don't have to clean anything. And I show you from a standpoint of how, like, not only did I have it automated, but I had it automated or systemized. I ain't gonna say automated yet because I won't really use the software. It's just like how to get out the field, basically. But I had it so systemized to the point to where I had moved all the way to Florida. My company still ran without me all the way in Virginia. And I show you the real numbers of my business at that time when I first did it. So huge video on that. And then I also give you like some extra throw-ins in that section as well. I think I get some SDS sheets for you. I show you where to get stuff wholesale, your equipment wholesale, all that good stuff. All right, so that's what's inside the starter course. Like I said, you get access to the private Facebook group. I'm live every month with anybody that's a CBN member. All of that. That's what it is. So, and like I said, that course is only $297, one-time payment. So you pay that one time, and then you in CBN for good. So technically, you don't have to pay the monthly fee of $99 a month to be a CBN member. You buy that course, and you technically in CBN, because really CBN is really more so the group than anything, right? But the problem is, if you don't pay the $99 a month, then you don't get access to the software, which is huge because you need to know how to price. You got to be able to send invoices. You got to be able to track your leads, all of that good stuff, right? But I get it. Maybe some of y'all like, well, I'll just shoestring it until I can afford the $99, but let's just give me the information and let me get in that group. Let me get the monthly coaching calls with you. So that option is available. All you got to do is go to cleanbizuniversity.com and click on Clean the Business Starter Course, and you can get that. So that's what's in that. And then just FYI, in case you're wondering, it's like, okay, well, what's the difference with the starter kit? Well, the starter kit comes with that exact course that I just told you. It comes with the group, like I just told you, but it also comes with a year free. Instead of 30 days free, it comes with a year free to the software. And then it also comes with leads if you decide to add leads to it, or it can come without leads. It's up to you. And it, and like I said, it adds equipment with it. So it adds on equipment with it. So all of the cleaning supplies that you could ever need to get started is going to include that as well. All right. So that's what the difference between starter kit and the starter course is. It's basically the same thing, but you add on equipment, and then you could add on 10 leads to it as well, and you get the free year to the software. One more thing I forgot to add too is when you join CBN, whether you get the starter course, whether you just click join CBN, or whether you buy the starter kit, is you get discounts on our leads. All right, so we got the lead generation service to set up bid walkthroughs for you, so you can start getting customers fast. You get discounts on those when you join CBN, whether you do it any one of those 3 ways. All right, so that's what that is. Hopefully this video was able to help y'all, and let's just get started, man. Take action. You don't have to wait until you got, because a lot of people be thinking, man, I ain't got the $2,000 saved up to get the starter kit and this and that. You don't have to. You can either just join CBN for $99 a month, or you get the starter course and join that way for one-time payment $297. All right, so that's what I got for y'all. And I actually took that starter course away for a while. That's why you don't hear me talk about it, because it was kind of competing against the monthly thing. But it was like, you know what? Yeah, just take it. You know what I mean? Y'all know how I am. It's like however we can help. So again, if you want that starter course, just the starter course alone, you go to cleanbizuniversity.com and click on it. Or if you just want to join because you want the software with it, you go to cleanbiznetwork.com, click join, and that'll have your membership to the CRM and the software and all of that too. So anyway, I'm AJ Simmons. I am the Clean the Business GOAT. No better place, no other place that you should be going other than the Clean Business Network to get your business started, get your business growing, and get your business scaled. All right. We got everything you need, from leads to education to equipment to coaching, you name it, we got it. Bidding calculators, all type of software, CRM, you name it, we got it. www.cleanbizuniversity and www.cleanbiznetwork.com. That's what it is. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out here. Thank y'all.